Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be playing with my brother right here. And I'm going to be playing Zombie Attack. So yeah, let's get right into it.
I have a rapid fire gun.
Yeah, but I got a way better gun than you, huh?
Hey! What? A person was shooting my head.
Okay. Okay. Jim, could you turn this down a little bit?
Sure.
I'm just gonna play easy just because. Hey, Kieran, say hi.
Oh, hi. Hi, Connor.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, Ren. Oh my god. Oh! Stop the shooting! Ah! Oh my gosh. M60. He's. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ah.
Oh, Connor, I saw you. I'm coming for you. Oh, but first
I'm going up in a tower right there.
Okay, but... Oh,
Guys, I'm not clicking anything. Seriously. It's just randomly shooting. Oh my gosh. Might as well use it. Okay. Dang it. Like that.
I keep dying. Nobody's helping me.
I'm helping you.
I'm
Wait,
dead.
okay. Oh, jeez.
Connor, I'm dead.
Stay away. Okay. Kieran's dead, guys. Oh my gosh! Get away! Stay away. Okay. Oh, are you coming up? Oh, jeez. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez.
That happened to me and I died.
Oh, come on, more? Seriously? Okay, somebody help me? Boy, those are easy. Oh my gosh. Help me. Actually help, please.
A person is a zombie. They have a pet. Or... Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh, jeez.
Oh no, that's your pet.
I got a bomb, and I'm not afraid to use it. It looks like alcohol.
Oh, it's speedy power. Oh no, you're not at the mountain, but I'm just ready to. Oh, I have my speed power on. Now slow.
Come on.
Woo!
Hey. Oh my. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh.
Somebody help me.
Oh, these are all like the defaults.
You can't look behind me.
Ah!
That's what.
What do I have?
Connor.
Oh my god. Oh, okay.
There's
Let
no.
me kill these.
Ah!
Oh,
Connor, I'm shooting some.
Oh, you are? Well,
Wait, I was fine.
that's Kieran shooting.
Hey! Don't never.
Help!
Oh,
Kieran,
woman.
stay back!
Oh, woman!
And now you're dead, Kieran.
Oh, woman!
Ooh.
Connor, I'm watching you. Connor, I'm watching you.
I'll just throw this off, just in case.
Oh, Connor, look at this skin. Connor, look at him. Connor. Connor, look at this guy.
Oh, jeez, now I got a bunch on me.
Oh, Connor, I'm watching you.
Oh! Got you.
What?
Sylvania.
Oh! Connor, this guy right next to me is zombies killed him, and then his head just went flying in the sky.
Kieran.
Ow!
100 and...
Why do you have no shirt on?
Yeah, guys, that's how good I am. Level...
Hey, you're dead. Fall. Oh.
Hey. Stop it. Get some help.
Hop and get some help if you. I hate when I go in there.
The attackers.
Got attackers! Oh, we got attackers! Boss,
Kieran, come up into the tower.
I can't. There's zombies chasing me.
Come on, don't draw them in.
They're chasing me.
Even looks fun.
Oh, Connor. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got a kill.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! Help! Kieran, we got... Kieran, I'll protect you. I'll protect you.
I jumped down.
Kieran, come on. Come on, Kieran, come on.
Ah!
Oh. Come on, Kieran, come on.
I'm only non-yellow health.
Kieran, get in the other tower.
No,
Let's stay in this one together. Okay.
No!
Oh, Kieran, you got the same gun as me.
Wait, no!
Oh, Kieran, we gotta help her. Help her, help her, help her.
I'm helping this guy.
Oh.
Nope. A zombie's chasing nobody.
Yeah, because they're coming for us.
Wait, yeah.
I got him, Kieran.
Okay.
Stay away.
Stay away. Oh, never mind.
Kieran, you jumped? Oh.
I
I got you, Kieran. You're probably gonna die, Kieran.
I'm only on green.
Oh, there's a tank elf? Oh. And those are only
Whoa!
4. Great. Oh.
Connor!
Oh, this is them.
Help!
You went on the other side. Oh my! Kieran, you're invincible.
Yay. Look at this. Oh no!
Kieran, help me. Help me out. Okay. Kieran, back to the tower. Back to the tower.
I'm invincible.
Kieran, we gotta stick together. Okay, Kieran, go in this tower. Oh, super speed.
Who's gonna get that?
Oh, Kieran, we got a demon. Jeez.
We got a demon on
Oh my!
Demon on Overwatch!
Literally help me.
I am. I'm shooting.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the demon's coming for me!
Oh my gosh, you're yelling. Jeez.
Whew. That's why the demon was coming for me.
Oh.
But I killed it. Wait. Die, humans. Die! If you're...
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh, crack these.
Oh. Connor, I died from the demon. You should have helped me back there.
I should have saved myself.
Oh, you tortured me.
God. How did I torture you? Oh, yes. Get that juicy kill. Dang it. Jeez. Oh, jeez.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of anything. Even those zombies.
Oh,
Gotcha.
grenade. I got a grenade. Oh, Karen.
I got this. Connor, I got this.
Well, I get XP fast.
Oh, Connor, I was fighting and I died. I was fighting 2 zombies and then I just died.
Watch me.
Okay.
You're not even getting the kills, dude. You think you are, but you're not. It's really Connor's Amazing Gaming. Hey.
Ah!
Oh,
Connor, that's a ninja course. Oh, Connor, there's a zombie. Connor, help them. Oh, get that one. Oh, Connor, get those over there. Help that guy. Hey. No. I'm not watching. I'm just picking different stuff.
and you gotta stay, though. You have to.
Connor, I want this knife.
Unicorn Galaxy, let the master handle it. Oh, boss, Karen, boss.
Oh. I'm ready for this.
Okay. This boss over there.
Wait, where? Wherever he is, I got
my grenade. Oh, grenade! Fire!
I see where the war is coming.
Ah! Get down! Get down! Ah!
Oh. Whoa!
Watch out!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Oh,
Whoa! Whoa!
I got. Whoa!
Whoa!
Ah.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Get away! Oh, ouch, dude! Why me? Oh my gosh!
That's why he's blind. Since
Ah!
Connor, I was on back of the boss the whole time, and he was just staying in one.
Stay away!
Place.
Oh, jeez, he's firing at me now. Ah! Woo! Woo! Oh, stay back. Aaron, he's over here. Oh, dude.
Oh, Connor, this
Woo!
is not fun. I feel like
Ah.
Connor, I
Oh,
feel like
ow! Don't hit me. Save me for last. Oh my god.
Oh, I died. Oh.
Oh! Yeah, that goes through walls.
Get me in fast. I need to help my brother. This game. Get me in fast. I don't want to wait too much. Cafeteria, man? I'm gonna go on your head. Wait, I want to.
Oh, guys, first person.
His head.
Kill him! You shall die. Just die already. Oh!
Didn't know that was coming. Connor's gonna join me in. This one had its head. Oh.
Game over?
Game over?
Oh.
What? Connor, which one are you doing? Connor, come over here. Which one are we gonna do? Connor, this one.
Oh.
This one! Connor! Okay. Hey, ours wins. Connor,
Oh, this music. Okay, guys. I'm gonna say stay together. Stay together.
guys,
Stay together. Stay together.
even though
Stay
Connor,
together.
Connor, come over here. Look at that guy's gun.
Oh, yeah.
That is so. Somebody, zombies. Connor, remember. Up. Connor, go up top.
Let me see.
Whoa.
I have enough.
We fell down. Up here. Up here.
Oh my god.
Unicorn. Up here. On the rock. Get on the rock.
Just enough. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna reset my character.
Why?
Boof. Boom. I'm just gonna leave. Oh, wait 1 sec. Gotta do something.
Connor, don't quit the game since. Connor, get on the rock since I'm having trouble.
Oh my gosh. I'm still
come on.
alive. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you were EXP. It just instantly drains their health.
Wait, you had that gun? Don't want you here.
It's done.
I do not want you here. So get out of here. Oh my. Get out of here, guys.
I mean, you guys are. Oh my gosh! I need you. Hey guys, come over here. Boom! Ow! Ow! Oh, explosives.
Nobody messes with me, or they get to consequence.
Come on, go to that tall rock.
I know
Okay.
I'm on that
Oh, okay.
rock.
Okay, when you see me, I'll be shooting at you.
I know. Don't shoot at me. Not. Hey, stop shooting at me.
Ah! Okay, Kieran, could you be my guard and then I'll shoot from the top and then you stay down?
Connor, you're my guard since I'm watching the video. Since you're the one.
Oh my
making
gosh!
the video.
How do I get up? Okay.
Connor, we're both up here.
Ah! Kieran, I got it. I could just drain its health. Kieran, I could just drain its health easily. Kieran, I'll get this side.
Okay.
Guys, I just did that because no one comes over here. Oh. Ah!
Ah,
I got it.
Connor, you can't get every kill.
Kieran, I got way better aim. Let me.
Connor, you. How do you? Oh, okay.
How do you? Oh, okay.
Connor, I can't go in full screen. Connor, I can't go in full screen. Okay. It's okay. Connor, remember I get this side. Connor, remember I get this side.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh, jeez. Okay. How come? Oh! Whoa!
Okay. Woo! Say yeet. Yeet. Come on.
I'm gonna use a knife.
Oh my! You're a killer. Stay away. Stay away. That's a. Oh. Oh, we got.
You go for that side now. You know there's a lot of zombies. Oh!
Kieran, why don't you turn around and do that side? Wait, what? Sorry.
How you going?
Kieran, why don't you just turn around and do that side?
I know
Oh.
I did.
Okay.
Thanks for joining.
Guys, I think this gun is way overpowered.
So don't. Connor, how did you get
Touch. Oh, jeez. Okay.
gun?
Guys. Okay.
Connor, I want to use a different gun. Connor, I'm trying to get a different gun. Why does it not let me?
Whatever. Kieran, I
have
gotta
that
do the
gun.
video.
What? I just needed to.
You need a timeout, Mr. Zombie. I think you do. Oh my gosh, we got zombies raiding. We got here we are at the nearest place,
Connor, this.
and we are being raided with zombies.
Connor, this gun.
We're at the Channel 6 place, and we are just being raided with zombies.
My gun does way more than your gun.
You're not so cool because we have to save you from zombies.
Well, look, he has the same gun as you.
That means he'll be helpful.
Why are you, Connor?
No! Let me up! Please. Okay.
Let me up. I don't want to. Connor. Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Connor, I'm down there.
Okay, I gotcha.
Connor, next time I could do it by myself. You don't need to help me since I have a... Connor, you don't need to help me with zombies. Stop helping me with zombies.
GG's!
5 minutes, guys.
Oh, what the? Takes few hits. Oh my.
What's wrong with you? Connor. Oh, Connor!
Oh,
Connor,
sorry.
Connor, I had it.
Wait, Kieran, are you actually scoping or are you just hitting them?
I can't get on scope. And how do you even do that? It's just... And then how do I...
I don't know how it scopes.
Maybe it doesn't. It just goes like that.
Yeah, maybe. Guys. Come up here, dude.
I'm caught. Like, okay, I'm just...
No, I'm talking to that guy.
I know, I'm coming. I'm gonna be down here the whole time now.
Wait.
Die, man. You're not a different kind from me.
Stay.
I headshotted that guy. I think that was steak.
Okay, and okay. I'm just gonna let you guys handle off the boss. Oh, no, never mind. Boss is right there.
I'm coming. And I know when you're shooting.
Nick,
Connor!
fine.
Oh.
It takes you that long to type no way?
No. Whoa!
Who are you saying that to, Connor?
This is a random person. Ow! Connor, I am not anymore. Oh! What was that for? Hey, no fire.
Oh. Concentrated, guys. I can't talk with you right now.
Hey.
Ah! Ow! Oh, jeez. Dude.
Is that okay with that?
Whoa!
Oh, my. Oh, my gosh.
Hey. Ow!
Yeah, I know.
Oh, he's right by me. I did not see that.
Yeah, that's true. How's it going with you?
Ah, no, Dude, you're moving me off.
Connor, I can't get on. Connor, stay on a place. Oh! Connor! Yeah. Connor, a guy is
Oh.
Connor, a guy is this using a pistol? I think that is good. I'm changing my gun.
Yeah, I was kind of, I mean, of course I didn't I was
Free?
You scared?
I was hoping it was at least.
No, I'm talking to this zombie.
Okay. Are you scared to die?
No.
Wait! Connor! Connor!
Yeah, at least it shows.
Whoa. I was gonna say I needed help. Swimming?
I know. Now I'm like, I know we can go back fast, but I'm wishing you would have looked into it more.
Dang it. Oh.
I guess.
Connor!
Stop moving me.
Yeah, it's a little bit big. I mean, probably a little bit. I mean, that's okay. So,
Die!
Oh, jeez. Oh, my.
That guy wasn't going.
Ah!
Oh no! I'm headshot! I headshot!
All of the
Get outta here!
other reindeer. Oh, my.
I headshot!
Okay, yeah, I'm stand first.
Headshot!
Something's
Headshot!
wrong with the mouse. Ah! Ooh, ooh, ooh. That was me.
I mean, so,
Oh my gosh, we got a Santa.
Wait, there's a Santa zombie? I wanted to
Yeah,
die.
but he just died.
I know. Maybe. Wait. Mom, are these snacks over here?
what, huh?
What are these snacks for?
Those are ours, but we're gonna have dinner soon.
I just want to
You can have some with your dinner. Why don't we, Connor, wrap it up, okay?
Okay,
We're doing a video together. Duh.
yeah, let me just leave.
Oh,
Hunter, don't leave!
I know. Guys, that's gonna have to be it for the video. I hope you had a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon.